Hello everybody, we are at the Park Store Nature Center here at the Livingston State Park. We are in Livingston, Texas, and it's a beautiful warm sunny day here at the Livingston State Park. And we're just gonna walk down the stairs here and take a little visit of the store here in the park and see what all they have to offer inside. So you have an incredibly beautiful, vast view of the lake here. Very beautiful sight to see. Okay, so there is a small trail here that leads up to the store. It's either for bike riding or walking. I don't believe vehicles can enter on this side of the lake here next to the store. Now, as you can see further away, there's a lot of fishing piers. People fishing everywhere. And there's even some people out there on a small boat. Okay, so we're now going to walk down these very steep stairs here to get inside the store. So you can either walk down these stairs or you can walk down the ramp, which is very long and twisty. I've never seen a ramp quite that long before. Actually, I've decided to walk the ramp. And this is a really long ramp to get down there. I mean, this must be a 2-minute walk. Okay, here's another view of the lake from the entrance ramp here to the park store. Looks like there's a lot of little raft boats out there. People fishing. Okay, now we're coming off the ramp. And immediately we see restrooms right here. And then we have a giant ice machine. $3 a bag. So again, we're at the Lake Livingston store. So we get another great view here of a 3-story pier. Another close-up view of people fishing. Wow, they have a lot of piers here. And it looks like they splinter off and branch out into other smaller little piers, which is really cool. A sign with the pier rules. Okay, now we're entering the store. Then you have a nature center. All the souvenirs and t-shirts and stuff, hats, toys.
Yeah, I agree.
And lastly, we have the food and refreshments, which is what I came here for. I hope you enjoyed it, and y'all have a wonderful day.